So this is just the final bit of making your rourou, and I'm just now doing the hard bit, if you like. And so it's just weaving these harder bits, or the tucky ends of the flax in and out, just to strengthen the basket. But it's kind of a nice thing to do, so I thought you might want to see how I do it. I had a teacher once, and I learnt weaving from the Wānanga Aotearoa, and I'll put a link in the description below. And she used to say, you have to really handle the flax quite firmly, you know, just like you do with a small child at times, you know, got to be firm and fair, you know. So anyway, I thought it was always quite funny. So there you have the finished basket, and it does take a little while now to dry, so I don't use it for a little while until it has dried a little bit. And of course the weave will separate a little bit as it dries, because this flax hasn't been stretched, and it's kind of just an easy way to make a food basket, which is what it is here, but I use it for putting my bits and pieces in, and yeah, so anyway, enjoy.